I have to make a rule set here.
Okay, you can what you now you are okay here. 70% flow path, put slash monitoring slash PT3OH, the both functions. So you can consider one, okay, and then PASH with 0.1. These two, okay. Now SIL2, what is RRF? 100.
RRF is 100.
Yeah,
Is
okay.
SIL2.
Okay.
Then I have to make a rule set here. SIL team has discussed the conditional modifier to be taken as occupancy factor more than 10%, of time in the pump area.
The plant, you can think in the pump area plant, yeah, because you can't say just, yeah, okay, yeah,
No.
in the pump area, okay.
Right. And PSAH dash 1011 dash 04 has been considered as an independent, as an IPL, then 70% of flow path blockage and resetting.
Resetting total shutdown, yeah.
EST2.
Yeah.
Right. So these are independent, right? So okay, guys. So even SIL2 is okay.
This PSH 1011 that is pump discharge.
It's pump discharge.